So one of my favorite tricks when I'm looking for a camping spot, I pull up Google Maps and I'll just look around on dirt roads and I'll look for little pullouts on dirt roads such as that. And it leads me to places like this, which is sweet. So if we found our camping spot for the night, looks like a really sketchy cave right there too. Maybe I don't want to spend the night here. It's like an old mine. This might very well be the creepiest place I've ever camped. Okay, maybe I won't camp here, or should I? I've decided I'm gonna camp here because, I don't know, I like a challenge. Here we go. It is cold. I'm gonna get some heat going. This is definitely a weird place to camp, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully nothing crazy. So I've seen a couple of weird things in my life. I've 110% saw Bigfoot one time for sure in the middle of the daylight. And I also saw a couple of UFOs one time with my dad and my stepmom, and we all three saw it and it was nuts. So I'm gonna get some dinner going first and then we'll go check out this cave over here. For dinner, we're gonna make something really easy tonight because I'm not in much of a cooking mood. Strawberry shake. Don't mind if I do. Simple but delicious. This is from Trader Joe's, and it's mandarin orange chicken. It's gonna be good. Okay, I'll give it. Yummy. Guess I'll just cook it all. Whoa, that's a lot of chicken. Frying up nicely. Just drain the oil. Let's add this mandarin sauce. Whoa, okay. I'm sure is delicious. Probably all sugar. 100% sugar. I'm not hangry, but I'm close. Let's use both packets because I know this stuff is gonna be good. This will be my dinner and my lunch. Just a bunch of chicken. I'm just a dude, so I don't need vegetables. There we go. There's our bubbling orange chicken. Gonna be good. I'm gonna eat this chicken really quick and then I'm gonna take you guys into that cave over there. So I just looked up this tunnel on Google. Venora is an old town from the early 1900s, and they built a railroad through Venora, and there were several tunnels. This is tunnel number 5 over here. It's called the Rainbow Tunnel. So the tunnel was built in 1911 and it was abandoned in 1923. And then the town actually tried to grow potatoes in it, and that didn't work out too well. It's just been abandoned ever since then. And locals refer to it as the Rainbow Tunnel. That's totally it. Alright, just when I thought things couldn't get any creepier, 2 charged in fisherman's death. Body found in abandoned rail tunnel off Northwest Mecca Road behind the Rainbow Market. That's exactly where I'm at right now. So there was a body found in this tunnel. Oh my god. Bloodied body in the railroad tunnel. James Ryan Johnson, that's my last name. Charged first-degree murder and manslaughter. Whoa. Jefferson County Sheriff's Office Dispatch Center received a report of a dead body inside the abandoned tunnel off Mecca Road behind Rainbow Market. A man who was headed out to fish noticed blood outside the tunnel, then peered into the tunnel where he spotted what appeared to be a body around 20 yards from the north entrance. He appeared to have blunt force trauma. Wow. Huh. Well, that's not creepy at all. What do you guys think? Should I go into the tunnel? I'm 110% honest when I tell you that I just looked up the place to camp on the side of the road on satellite. You can't see that tunnel from satellite. I had no idea it was here. And that's insane news that there was a murder in there and they found a body and stuff 20 yards in. Maybe we should go 20 yards in. Let me eat this chicken first. Man, I'm just thinking about this tunnel and this is super creepy. I mean, I know it's probably fine here, but that tunnel looks super sketchy and creepy to begin with, but now it's like that much creepier. I feel like I have to go in there, or at least look in there, face my fears. If I was with someone right now, like had a friend here, I wouldn't think twice about going inside of there, but when you're by yourself, I don't know what it is. It's anything you do by yourself in a scary environment or dangerous environment, your senses are that much more heightened, everything's that much more intense, and All right, I'm gonna bring my Olight tactical flashlight. This thing's crazy bright. You can stab a mofo in the face with it. And you know what? I'm gonna bring some bear spray, just in case. Fits right in my Carhartt pocket. Check it. This is the cool part about Carhartts right here. Bear spray fits right there. So you're like, bam! Just pop that off right there and spray the demon in the face. Let's go. Temperature's pretty freaking cold. 28 degrees. What's my button on this thing? Oh, there go my keys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you camp here? I think I'm going to. I hear something. I hear something outside. Someone's actually on this dirt road right now. Hopefully they keep on going. Cool. Truck is all busted up, broken off mirrors and stuff. I think we're good. Back to bed. Good morning, my friends. It seems as though we're still alive. This is really pretty up here. Let's get our day started. Let's get a cup of joe going and hit the road. Let's go check this tunnel out in the daylight. Huh. That's not creepy at all. It's actually pretty amazing how intact this thing is for being built in 1913. That was, about 110 years ago, basically. Pretty wild. Still pretty nuts. This is probably right about where they found that body in here. Pretty crazy. Definitely way less creepy in the daytime, for sure. There's where we camped last night, though. A beautiful spot. Just, there was that. Anyway, we're heading towards Hood River right now. And then eventually we're going towards the west coast, towards the Olympic Peninsula, which I've never been. It's supposed to be beautiful. And I think I'll do a solo Thanksgiving out there. Anyhow, let's get the show on the road. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't break down here. She's just cold. Let it warm up a minute. Whew, all right. Don't scare me like that, Blues.